last year are huge. No winter protection whatsoever. They're as big as that or bigger. Yeah, they didn't freeze right down last year.
Have you had anybody flowering?
This year no, but last year, yeah, I had 2 actually in flower. Well, you know the fruits are pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Hmm.
great home. There. Okay, so actually that's okay. Here we go. Okay. They're beautiful, aren't they, Louise?
I have a friend.
Oh yes, this is Japanese Piper
Yes.
Minute. I had a lady visit my garden one time from Japan, and she said she had a kimono made out of the fiber that used to make clothes out of it. It's like hemp. Yep, bamboo clothes. I have bamboo clothes too. Yeah, bamboo shirts. Okay, so now we're going to go here.
So beautiful. So this is Jane Squire's nursery, and she grows all these exotic tropical fruits and some veggies, and she says people can contact her if they're interested. She sells her produce to a lot of chefs in Vancouver and locally here on Salt Spring as well. Jane Squire.
Yeah, I know it.
Passion vines. Look at that. Oh gosh. Wow. Digging away.
So I put on the as a title for your YouTube.
Okay.
You take.
Sure.
This is the 3rd year that you come.
Yeah.
I say these are the YouTube that you take, the videos you take when you come to harvest your bananas every year.
That's cool.
Okay.
But you can see the difference in the plant size.
Yeah.
You're like, I remember the first year we came, the plants were so much smaller. Now they're just, they're pretty huge.
Beautiful.
Fertilizing them.
I'm not.
Really?
No.
Wow.
I've got clay.
Wait, clay?
I created a nice soil.
Yeah,
I haven't fertilized yet, and it'll be interesting. I'll just watch the plant help.
Is it sort of like you've got all...
It's all organic.
Yeah.
Right? But
and
I have clay, a lot of clay.
Right.
So they can get what they want. But I don't want them to grow too fast either.
No. Yeah.
Because
limited space. And I mean, this is high. It's like...
It's 9 feet to the depth.
Okay. And then Jane's got that curtain she pulls off in the winter. So there's your water.
So this is a way to take a commercial greenhouse that grows, something like tomatoes or anything else, and turn it into something
This is the best.
Oh, totally.
This is awesome.
So
It really is.
beautiful. Kind of like a work of art.
It is. And you like doing it. It's your passion.
Oh, yeah. So Jane said people can contact her. She sells to restaurants and grocery stores locally and Vancouver.
Yeah.
Well, not much though, because I don't have much production yet.
Right.
but it just increases like a zoom.
I guess.
But it,
There we go.
okay.
I hear a crack.
I heard a crack.
So,
Slide down that way.
yeah,
That
let's
way.
get this up here, Jane.
Okay.
Pull those leaves back. Okay. How to move a banana.
Okay, there you go.
Good job.
Yeah. Oh, it's caught on this. There we go. This is interesting.
Beautiful.
Is it really heavy?
No.
Do you want to carry it out? Why don't you and I carry it out like this?
It might be better. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you ready?
Two-man job.
Banana mover.
Woman-man job.
Go, banana mover.
Yeah.
Need a banana mover?
There it goes.
Call us.
And you get people who want to use those leaves to do their barbecue pork.
Oh, people love to cook things.
But we like them in the garden.
Yeah, this is easier doing it.
Okay, so take a slow turn here.
Good.
All right, good. We're
How's
good.
it look?
Yep, you didn't damage anything.
Yeah.
Go.
That's a good root on it. I got a huge roll dump full of compost.
Beautiful. There's all her little start. And this banana plant, just like the others, or some of the others that Joe has at the garden,
Okay, what you think?
are from Jane.
Oh, I'll put this underneath it after. Yeah. We go down Walker's, we're out in the back.
I just feel for the leaves.
Oh, yeah,
I
well,
know.
you know
Oh, yeah.
what
It's like, ow,
I'll do? You know
ow.
what I'll do? Go like this. Make 'em-
Whoa.
Come this way.
Okay.
Now it's got to go down.